There's another. There's two at the same time. There's one right here, and there's one back there. And that one back there is going good, real good. Look at that thing. So we got one right here. There's four going at three. There's one here. There's three going at once. Right here in front of me. Off to the right, a little ways away. And then there's a big one in the back. There's one over there. I've got four dust devils going at once. And that one in the middle of the field there is going real good. One, two. There's a close one here and a far one. There's one there, and then there's the one over there died off. So there's four again, but there's a different one. Holy cow. Weird. Hey, look at this one, just picked up hard. I haven't even, I'm just gonna turn off the phone. Look at that. You know what's crazy? It's like a couple of them just went together. And what's weird is something weird just happened here last weekend. Right in line with that. Isn't that something? Man, look at it go. It picks up, it slows down, it picks up, it slows down. Right in the middle, look at that stuff. And isn't that something that it lines up perfect with this hole that I cut in the brush last weekend? Watch this. That's where I went in the brush. Right there next to that twisted tree. I wonder if that all means something. Alright, this video's going way long. It's over 3 minutes now. Man, look at that thing go. All in the brush. Crazy stuff going on in the field. There's two of them again. Alright, we're up to almost 4 minutes. But you get the idea. We can't make this stuff up.